Beddddyybumbumbum. Let's love vibes. Turn it up, blow out those candles. Did I disappoint you or let you down? Should I be feeling guilty or let the judges frown?
'Cause I saw the end before we'd begun. Yes, I saw you were blind and I knew I'd won.
The Milky Way moves across the sky above. My hands dug into the curve small of your back.
Your emerald eyes hidden in the shadows cast by firelight. Leaning closer to me, my dear, hear my whisper of love to your ear. Close your eyes and feel the pulse hit from the rear. Let yourself go, let the world disappear.
Love making to the grind,
Slow grinding, girl.
build to the max again, air to air. Sweat dripping with intense thrive.
Say you need it, honey.
Just let yourself go, let the world disappear.
Yeah, yeah. Take it and let it be yours, baby. Forget the world around you and just ride it. Try and hear your bell ring again, baby, and never let it hide.
Feel the breeze touch your skin, young lover. Straddle this horse and just ride away into the horizon of lustful journey. Baba, ride on and never stay.
Come again and again, dripping like morning dew. Ain't nothing like the scent of fresh dusk lovers, baby.
I'll ring your bell, you just tell me when. Lay down in my arms of loving when we are through. Ooh. You've got the mouth, the lips. Girl, I've got to kiss. All your body's made for pleasure. You make me feel like a man should feel, like a man of steel.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Hey. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been